11 solutions when your iPhone won't send or receive photo messages. Reset network connection. Swipe down from the top right corner on iPhones with Face ID. Swipe up from the middle bottom on iPhones with the home button. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. After a few seconds, turn off the airplane mode and wait for iPhone to connect to Wi-Fi. Enable MMS messaging. Open Settings and go to Messages. Scroll down, locate MMS messaging, and turn on the option. Try a different contact. If you can send a photo message to at least one other contact, then everything is fine. These can be the reasons why the photos can't be sent to other contacts. The contact has disabled iMessage. iMessages are temporarily unavailable on the recipient's device. Wrong number. Check the photo size. Open the Photos app. Select the image you're trying to send. Swipe up on it to see the info. Check iPhone storage. Open the Settings app and go to General. Tap iPhone storage. Delete unnecessary apps or files to make space if the storage is at total capacity. Reopen the Messages app. iPhones with Face ID. Keep swiping up from the middle bottom until all opened app windows appear. iPhones with a home button, double press the home button. Locate the Messages app window and swipe up on it to close. Now open the app again. Check the iMessage server status. The server can be under maintenance or has encountered a problem and is currently unavailable. You can find all Apple server statuses on the official System Status webpage. Turn off Wi-Fi Assist. Open the Settings app. Go to Mobile Service or Mobile Data Settings. Scroll to the bottom and turn off Wi-Fi Assist. Update carrier settings. Open the iPhone settings. Go to General Settings. Tap on About. If an update is available, a prompt will appear asking if you want to update the settings. If a prompt doesn't appear, your settings are up to date. Update iPhone operating system. Go to the Settings app. Select General and tap Software Update. Wait for the device while it searches for updates. If an update is available, tap Download and install. Reset network settings. Go to Settings and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode and confirm the action. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. The Disk Cleaner option will scan your computer for app caches, logs, downloaded files, and files still sitting in the trash. It will also show you how much space what files take up on your Mac. Combo Cleaner will also help you look through all big files on your Mac and delete those you don't need. You can also scan Mac for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.